put it right in here. We can hose the floor down. There's a hose.
Okay, good.
Here we go.
I'm so sorry. Half the time I had the camera like pointing to me. You're gonna be all kind of video my goofy.
That was kind of a trick. From down here, which is a very busy main road, down this hill in this sharp turn. Yeah, anyway, got it, it's in here. Big thanks to Warner Kia here in Parkersburg for letting me use their booth. I'm just using basically just the booth and the compressor setup. Now, we gotta get this thing cleaned, taped, and ready to go. We did go around it 3-4 different times, definitely feeling with our hands to make sure that nothing was too rough or anything, didn't miss any spots. There are a couple blemishes here and there that I'm hoping just get covered. Like I said, it's not a show car, it's gonna be a driver, but it's going to be, you know, hopefully nice. Did a couple rounds of different things. Paint thinner, purple power, spray away. Tape, 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 tape. Where'd that one come from?
I just saw this there in a bag. Probably Mike's, but I don't know where.
Yeah, might as well. I gotta be honest with you, there's a lot of fan sounds in the background, so I'm just gonna talk over this. I had a lot of trouble getting used to this setup. It was a lot more powerful than what I'm used to, and I figured out that my regulator wasn't really working. I didn't learn that until later on. It wasn't moving. It wasn't doing anything. I just had to figure out what worked well. So at the end of this, it didn't turn out perfect, and you'll see some of the things. So this whole first layer, I was really just concerned about covering up the different colors of the primer. So I had epoxy primer showing through, a little bit of etch primer that I sprayed on there to cover some of the bare metal, and of course the black primer that was already there. I just wanted to make sure that I gave everything a nice uniform base, because blue well, more than just blue, but blue specifically is a lot more transparent than some other colors. So yeah, wanted to make sure none of that showed through. Down, doing you a favor. You're welcome.
It's still not completely flashed off though. Like right here.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah, I see it. I'm hoping that roof.
I hope, too.
Otherwise, why we put that bird up there?
Roof bird.
Yeah.
Hopefully it looks okay. Oh, I see a little bit of specs, but that's okay.
A little bit.
I didn't expect it to be perfect.
I was like, yeah, that's it. Man, that Logan's amazing, isn't he? I said, yeah, he's pretty good.
Yeah, nope.
All in all, though, it looks pretty good.
It looks pretty okay. Is it perfect? No, I am not a pro painter.
It looks pretty out here.
All right, time to go.
All right, I'm ready.
It's raining. I've heard a time or two you're not supposed to jump off a hybrid. It made it. It's the next day again. There's the car. It's a little dirty and still a little bit wet. Let's take a look. I mean, I've already said it. I'm not a pro painter, and it's definitely not perfect. There are some things that I'm going to be addressing on this now that it's had a chance to just kind of sit and chill out for a little while. But it will need wet sanded and buffed, and there are a couple little things that we'll address in the near future, along with this stuff. Then we get to put it back together, put wheels on it, the exhaust, the interior back in it. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for hanging out.